Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to play God of War 3 on Android using RPCSX PS3 Android Emulator. If you want to play this game, you need a high-end gaming mobile device. Don't try to play it on low-end mobile devices. Before going to this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Let's get into the video. First, you need to install the RPCS3 emulator. Then, download the latest version of the firmware, and select the location of the firmware file. The download link is below in the comment section. Next, go to Setting, and click Advanced Setting. Now go to Video option. Extract the God of War ISO file. Then create a game folder and paste it in your Android phone. Now, you need to select the game folder location. Now open the game.
Is to be tested. The mortal Kratos seeks to destroy all that I have wrought. Brothers, put aside the petty grievances that have splintered us for so long.